What did it say? Let me see. Another song will come on.
The new Nickelback. Oh, yay! That's not new, that's old. Nickelback. That's old, though.
Send it down up to me.
I'm never going to be able to listen to this stuff again.
Jack, record on your phone. The entertainment for the next 15 miles. Damn it. She gave me the stink eye.
You know, Giggles. How close is the wrong way to walk?
It's 15 miles.
How good are you? It's cold. You have no coat, ding dong.
It's not cold.
It will be. It's dropping. We're gonna get snow in the morning. Come on.
Damn it.
No, that's Sunday, silly.
Oh no, snow tomorrow too.
I think Jacqueline would know what the weather's gonna be like this weekend. She stayed home all week and watched it.
Yeah, but it changed the
She had some good channels yesterday. I did.
Yeah, she explained that to me. Tell her about the nanny.
I love that
No,
show.
what they said. You said I could do whatever you want.
Oh, damn it, God.
Whoever you want.
That one guy I watched. What I like about you. I hate that.
What I like about you. Stop. I'm recording. God damn. I know. I'm barely singing anymore.
Yellow car.
Are we gonna play this? Really?
No.
Ah! Exactly.
Yo, football post. Yo, football post.
Brennan loses this game. He does PT Cruiser and Slug Bug, even though we'll only be playing Yellow Car and like